Good morning YouTube and good morning our friends. Welcome back to our channel Footloose Globetrotters. Finally, my wife and I managed to go on a motorcycle trip. Today we are heading to Lepakshi, which is around 120 kilometers from Bangalore, north of Bangalore actually. It's in Anantapur district in Andhra Pradesh.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If this is your first time here, welcome back to our channel if you've joined us on our trips earlier. It's been a really long time since Lionel and I have gone together on a bike trip. Join us today as we take you on an archaeological trip to Lepakshi. Have a great day, enjoy. Let's see how this goes.
As we get started, if you're new to this channel, thanks for coming. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below your thoughts as you watch through the video. Stay till the end of the video and subscribe to this channel as well to join our journey. பார்த்த முதல் நாளே உன்னை பார்த்த முதல் நாளே காட்சி பிழை போலே உணர்ந்தேன் காட்சி பிழை போலே. Bike lane, keep left side.
So guys, this morning it's really cold and windy. It's a result of the drizzle and the rains that we've been having over the last couple of days. So the weather forecast says that it's going to be a gloomy day today also, but hopefully it's just cool and pleasant and it doesn't rain and drench either of us.
Everywhere it is wet. Hopefully it stays like this till we come back home.
So guys, we've been riding non-stop for nearly 100 kilometers. So we thought we'll take a small break. Lepakshi is about 30-35 kilometers from here. See you there.
Slowly picking up. Lepakshi left. Tima, do you see that Nandi?
Huh?
That's how it will be, but it will be like multiple times bigger.
Oh.
Have you been to Lepakshi before?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay. Just 16 kilometers. நல்லா green-ஆ இருக்குல்ல குட்டிமா?
கார்பெட் ஆட்டமா இருக்கு. Soft.
Why is there so much crowd?
Sunday or something? Sunday?
சண்டைலாம் இல்லை, எல்லாம் சந்தோஷமாக சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்களே. ஓ சந்தையா? மார்க்கெட் மேபி. Do you see that huge eagle statue on top of that hill? Right there. Should we check this out now or later?
Oh, we can go. அங்க கோவில் சாத்துமா?
I don't know. Lepakshi Jatayu theme park. Jatayu means eagle. Pratima, looks like this is where we had to come.
Oh.
Our first stop is Veerabhadra Swami Temple. Please pause the video to read about it.
This temple is built on a hill called Kurma Shailam, which means tortoise hill. The hallmark of this temple is the countless number of pillars in and around the premises. These paintings on the ceiling are made with natural vegetable dyes. One thing that struck me is the similarity of these paintings to the present-day Kalamkari prints and leather puppet paintings. Most of you would have heard of the famous hanging pillar of Lepakshi. It is believed to be suspended from the ceiling. Notice the seven-hooded snake with 3 coils around the Shivalingam. This is possibly the largest Nagalingam representation in India. These are representative of the dishes used during the time of Lord Shiva. They remind you of mega thalis, don't they? This is believed to be the footprint of Lord Rama.
Our second stop is Jatayu Theme Park. The entry fee for this is 10 rupees per person. It is believed that the mythical vulture Jatayu fell here when Ravana chopped off his wings. The stairs to the Jatayu rock is closed for public access at this point. One has to get up all these steps to the top to get the bird's eye view of Lepakshi. There is also a theory that this village is named Lepakshi, which translates to rise, O bird. When Lord Rama found Jatayu fallen, he supposedly said that. The bird's eye view includes the temple and the Nandi. The Nandi bull attraction is just a stone's throw away from the theme park, so we decided to walk up. There is ample parking space for both 2 and 4 wheelers around all 3 spots.
This spectacular Nandi statue is a monolithic structure sculpted out of a granite rock. Please pause the video to read about it. The Nandi is 15 feet tall and 27 feet long. He faces the Nagalingam in the Veerabhadra Swami temple.
There is also a small man-made lotus pond next to the structure. Archaeological Survey of India, Lepakshi. Alright friends, these are the 3 places that we wanted to visit in Lepakshi. We thoroughly enjoyed the experience. Hope you guys were also able to enjoy it as much as we did.
So we're headed back home now. Let's see what the return journey holds for us.
We'll refill petrol now. Not sure how much there is. Petrol full tank பண்ணு. Card work ஆகுதா? Petrol rate 97 rupees. Which direction da?
இப்படி அங்கிருந்து நம்ம வந்தோம்.
Will it rain all the way to Bangalore?
Don't worry, Karim. The rain gods showered their mercy on us. So we decided to keep our gadgets inside and head on. Hope you all enjoyed this journey with us. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel Footloose Globetrotters.
Stay safe, stay healthy, wear your masks. We'll see you in our next vlog. Bye bye.